Hello guys, it's Sharif with Engadget. We're looking at the new HTC One X Plus, and I'm joined by Graham from HTC. Graham, this is it's a new phone, but it's also an intergenerational upgrade.
Yep, that's correct.
What's new about it?
Yep, that's correct. This is the HTC One X Plus. So it has a faster processor, a 1.7 gigahertz processor inside, a larger battery, 2100 milliamperes, and also it has 64 gig of RAM inside. So overall, much more power and performance, as well as storage on the phone.
So somehow you fitted in a bigger battery.
Yes.
And you've managed to, as a result, you've got more power. You can clock up the processor.
Yep.
And we've got a lot more storage. So this is like now your flagship in the range.
That's correct, yes. This is our flagship Android phone. It's running Jelly Bean with our Sense 4 Plus, our latest version of Sense, which has a number of enhancements, as well as the Jelly Bean enhancements, for example, smoother graphics, and HTC enhancements. For example, the gallery itself. We realised that people are taking more pictures with the phone, so we wanted to make it simple and easy to find your pictures. So you can go into the gallery application and here, for example, see where you've taken all your pictures, 11 pictures taken in London, etc.
Right.
Or if you wanted to actually look at different events, different days.
And that's a new screen too. That it's an aggregation of wherever your pictures are coming from there, that last screen. The
last screen, yes, that's correct. So anywhere, so you go into the gallery and you can actually get pictures from either your Facebook cloud or other services.
So that's an HTC improvement with the Jelly Bean update. You've just shown us also that we have Project Butter running there, which you say, well, it's visible as more smoothness in the UI, and also you have you've assigned one of those buttons to Google Now? Yeah,
that's correct. So Google Now is a new service running in Jelly Bean, and I'll show you on my handset because it learns on the handset your experiences. So just going to Google Now by holding down the home key, and it's worked out where I live and also given me cards that I'm interested in, for example, the weather, and also bus routes in my local area, just by my normal habits of using the handset.
Got you. So let's switch back to the actual. This is production ready, is it?
This is production ready hardware, yes. And the software is, we're just in the final stage.
And just as with the old XE, the Sensation XE, we've got the red tints on the lights there. Can we just about make those out? Just about. And if we turn it around, we've got the, where is it? There we go, really deep red around the camera. And speaking of the camera, actually, you did mention an improvement to not to the rear camera, the main camera, but to the front facer.
So we offer a great camera experience with the rear camera. It has the same f2.0 lens that we have with the One X, and the same 8 megapixel sensor, and the same image chip, which actually adjusts the picture before they're saved to JPEG. And we're now offering an updated front-facing camera, so it's a 1.6 megapixel camera, but it has the ability to use the image chip, so it has skin correction tones before the picture's saved to JPEG. So when you take a picture, if I just go into the camera application, it immediately allows us to pick a brightness or a skin tone and correction, and if I tap on it, instead of just taking the picture directly, it will wait a few seconds before actually taking a picture, so you can actually hold a stable shot as well. So really some usability enhancements in actually using the camera.
So it's because you've got this extra processing, it's able to use the main camera processor, then you can almost use it more like the main camera. It can do a few more tricks with white balance.
It's not the processor; it's actually the image chip itself will allow you to do that error correction. So it's not on the application process, but yes, it will allow you to actually take better shots from the front-facing camera.
Got you. Thank you. And let's just ask one last question. I mean, what do you think the biggest benefit of increasing the clock speed of the processor is going to be? That extra performance. Who really needs that?
So in terms of that performance itself, so obviously, with the development of games, etc., this is a PlayStation certified handset as well, so it allows you to play games from Sony PlayStation, and all of the NVIDIA graphics games that are improvements, obviously allowing you to take the advantage of the extra performance within the 1.7 gigahertz processor.
Thank you, Graham. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Much appreciated.